Afternoon, sir. Is your puppy restrained?
Restrained?
Yes.
Why is that?
Is she allowed, or he or she allowed to be carried like that?
Just inside the park.
I don't think so. She's gorgeous, isn't she?
It's a he.
It's a he.
Yeah, his name
Hello,
is
lovely.
Hero.
Hero,
Yeah.
lovely. But please, you got to get a cage or one of those harnesses
I
to strap him.
literally just got him like last week. Yeah,
Lovely.
I have to get
Yeah.
a pet seat. Yeah.
They're not expensive.
Yeah,
All right. Have a good day.